Na ayaw talaga magpabakuna because of whatever, religious or I mean no offense. Pero yung ayaw magpabakuna, madali lang man yan. Mamili ka. Matagal kang mabuhay o gusto mo nang mamatay. Diyan sa dalawa na, pag kumapit yung COVID na yan, hindi pa natin alam itong Omicron, patay na. Mamili kayo. Early demise or live longer. Kasi pag nahawa ka talaga, there's nothing you can do. Kung sa ospital na lalo napasukan ng tubo yung mukha mo. Alam mo bakit? Marami akong kaibigan na namatay na. At no other time in my life have I lost so many friends and people I know. Talagang ngayon lang. Kaya inabutan ko itong panahon ko, crisis. Ngayon, itong mga tao na ayaw magpabakuna, if the task force will decide to make it mandatory, mamili kayo. Talagang, because it's not a question. Itong human rights, let me explain. Kagaya ng itong isang opisina tayo dito. If there's one or two, ayaw magpabakuna. And they are already in the, nakuha na nila at humihinog na yung virus. Ihawa mo lahat. So it's unfair. It's actually to protect public health. The ministerial functions of government are government can issue measures that will protect public health, public safety, public order. It's in the police state. Nakaano sa category police state. So in some countries mandatory na. Dito maingay ang human rights. So ang una nating targetin, puntahan natin sa opisina. Ako, kung may malaman ako na director o ano, magdala ako ng doktor, turok ko yung needle sa ulo mo, hindi sa kamay. Really, I'm not joking, but you know, as a worker of government, also charged in the overall operation of the government, I may agree with the task force if they decide to make it mandatory. It's for public health. No, kung ayaw mo, huwag kang lumabas. Wala mang problema na ayaw ka magpabakuna. Huwag kang lumabas ng bahay. Kasi pag nahawa ka, diretso hawa uli. Now, there is no guarantee that you will not get contaminated again. That has been said several times, impressed upon us by the medical experts na mahawa ka uli. So, ang ganon, lalo na baski na sa'yo yung bakunado yung pamilya mo, kung tarantado ka talaga, dalhin mo uli, still, you put in jeopardy the entire family or entire office. No, under the police power of the state, I can compel you.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.